Hi everyone, so today I'm going to do an unboxing. I ordered just recently things from Amazon.uk, so it's my first time to order from this website, and I will show you unboxing how it went and my experience with Amazon UK. It's my first time to order from them, so if you're interested in watching my review and unboxing, so please keep on watching. So this is how the box looks like. So it was weird for me when I first got it, since it looks like they opened it already, if you see here. So maybe it was from customs, but we will see what really happened. Yeah, look. It's not really opened. It just seems open. So we have this protection, and oh my god, this is so big. So I got this Neutrogena Rain Bath Replenishing Shower Bath Gel. I'm really surprised how big it is. It's huge. And the next one is a cleanser. The next one is the Neutrogena Visibly Pink Grapefruit Daily Scrub. So I need this because my scrub is it's almost done. Next one is a shampoo. It's weird because they're open. Why are they open? So this is the Neutrogena Therapeutic Shampoo for like treats itchy and flaky scalp, since I have a problem with my scalp now. I'll just put this back. And another one which is open. It's Neutrogena 2-in-1 shampoo, dandruff shampoo. So yeah, that's all I ordered. So that's how they packed it. It's really getting darker now, so forgive me for the lighting. So I ordered everything from Neutrogena, since I really loved this brand. I tried it, I think, way back in college, and I really loved their body oil. And when I went to the Philippines last year, I also got their rain shower gel, I think, and I really liked it. But I had to leave it in Thailand since I forgot that I put it in my check-in luggage, which is a bad idea because it was like 500 ml or more than, I think. So I'm happy it was just, I think, £9. I had £9, around £9, and the shampoos were like £7 to £8, or even lesser, and the scrub is around £5, I think, and I needed to only pay $4.99 for the delivery, so it was really good. It's not so bad because it's only £5. So this I got, if you see, it's really big, so it's really great value for your money. I think I'm gonna use this for open it. I think this will be good for 5 months or more. So I'm really excited for this. Shampoos, I think it will take me months to finish. So I'm excited because every winter time I have a problem with dandruff, so I really wanted to try something from Neutrogena. I saw online they have really good reviews, so I wanted to try their shampoos for dandruff. So we will see. And for the facial scrub, there are a lot of good reviews about this also, so I wanted to try it since my facial scrub is almost empty. So we will see if I will be including it in my next favorites, maybe post or video. I like their system, since they have tracking system in their website also, so every day you can check what's going on with your package. So they will say where it is, like the processing. So before it goes, because I forgot to have a screenshot of it, there's like dots or lines that they have. So if you still didn't reach to the dispatch level, you can still cancel your order, but if it's not, then you cannot do it anymore, but you can return it, of course. But yeah, that's how I like it, because I can see it every day clearly how it goes, and it's really fast. I think it took only, I'm not sure how many days. I think I ordered it last week. I received it Saturday. They were on Saturday in my post office, and then I need to get them today, Friday, because I didn't have time during the week. So it's really good. And yeah, I will certainly shop more from them, and I'm still looking what I can order, but maybe not anytime soon. But like certain brands that it's hard for me to find, like the American brands, I would certainly look there. I'm really happy how fast the delivery is and how smooth it was in ordering. That's all, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you on my next one, and thank you for watching. Bye.